List of head of state who died in aviation accident and incidents. Number 1. President of Paraguay, José Félix Estigarribia. Number 2. President of Philippines, Ramon Magsaysay. Number 3. President of Brazil, Nereu Ramos. Number 4. President of Iraq, Abdul Salam Arif. Number 5. President of Brazil, Humberto de Alencar Castelo Branco. Number 6. President of Bolivia, René Barrientos. Number 7. Leader of the military Junta of Mauritania, Ahmed Ould Bouceif. Number 8. President of the Ecuador, Jaime Roldos Aguilara. Number 9. Military leader of Panama, Omar Torrijos. Number 10. President of Mozambique, Samora Machel. Number 11. President of Pakistan, Ziaul Haq. Number 12. President of Rwanda, Yuvenal Hebi Ramana. President of Burundi, Cyprian Intiramera. Number 14. President of North Macedonia, Boris Tchaikovsky. Number 15. Sultan of Sokoto State, Muhammadu Makido. Number 16. President of Poland, Lech Kaczynski. Number 17. Last President of Polish government in exile, Ryszard Kozarski. Number 18. President of Chile, Sebastian Pinera. Number 19. Ibrahim Raisi, President of Iran.